Today we're going to be talking about how FutureCast works on an inverted roof assembly. During the construction process, the FutureCast grid and DigiStars are installed prior to covering the system with drainage mat and overburden. The FutureCast grid charges up the water on the top side of the membrane with electricity, while the DigiStar sensor element takes measurements. How this works is we electrify a light layer of water on the roof to look to see how the electricity travels through the membrane. If there are no holes, the electricity should just sit on top of the membrane. The membrane wants to keep water from going through it, but if there is a hole, then the water will make its way down, and what we're sensing with FutureCast is if the electricity is following a path of moisture down to the deck. FutureCast inverted roof systems are installed in a grid. The size of the grid depends on a few different factors. For example, on one project we've done before, there's hundreds of thousands of square feet of roof garden, so they opted to have a grid that can monitor larger areas to better fit their needs. How we set up the grid is by laying down electrical field tape, which will be used to electrify the roof deck in search of membrane breaches. If the roof gets wet from a leak, DigiStars will work with electrical field tape to point to a deficiency in the membrane and identify where there is a path of moisture leading to the concrete or steel below. FutureCast will monitor the membrane continuously and will generate reports, finding membrane breaches for the life of the building. If you want to learn more about FutureCast and SMT, visit our website at smtresearch.ca.